In today's very special episode, Cale pours some candles and I talk about my biggest candle making mistake. It's pretty embarrassing. Then we head over to our local Dollarama to search for gift wrapping supplies. All of that and more in Vlogmas Day 19.
Hey, good morning everyone. We are down in the studio and this morning we are going to be making some candles. I am so happy that I have some large gloves now. All right, we are gonna get these going in a water bath, then we'll pour out the fragrances. So the first scent that we're doing is a eucalyptus mint blend. If you are curious as to what the exact blend is, you can always go to our Patreon. In there, we have all of the recipes for every scent mixture that we have.
Hey guys, editing Jerica here. Cale forgot to explain on camera, but that first scent blend that he just poured, the eucalyptus mint, is a separate candle, and he's just now about to pour the scent blend for the second candle. I just wanted to bridge that little bit of disconnect. Sorry for the confusion, guys. Back to the video.
We often just kind of mix it up. We take scents that have been really good sellers for us, and we'll mix them with something new. And usually the concoction works out quite well. This is a new scent that we're coming up with, and it's gonna be called Rise and Grind. It's kind of like what I did this morning. Wake up, have some coffee. As our wax continues to melt down over on the burners, I'm just gonna start prepping our wicks. We've had different strategies for getting our wicks ready. These ones, they come with the little tab on there. It's already pre-cut. It's so nice. We have made our own wicks before from a big spool, putting the tabs on there, but this just makes it a little bit more convenient. And one of the last steps before we actually pour the candles are putting on our wick centers. One thing I like to do right afterwards is clean out your vessel with all the wax while it's still hot/warm. It makes it a lot easier than cleaning it out once all the wax has dried. Loving the smell of this eucalyptus mint. This is gonna be very Christmassy actually. You can just kind of go through, center your wicks as you need. This wax is still very warm, so there's a margin for air. Whoa, this one was way off. Yeah, sometimes they shift when you pour them in. The big gush of wax kind of knocks them off center. It's good here. Our candles are poured. I do not attempt to move the box while they're hardening. I'm gonna let those harden and come back to them later. Here is our current coat situation over here. A couple days ago, this key that used to be behind me over there, I came crashing down off the wall. I mean, I wasn't doing this rack any favors by only using like 1/4-inch screws. So this time around, I think I'll use some drywall screws. There we go. A much more solid coat rack. Jerica and I actually got this coat rack years ago now. We've had it at, I think, the last 3 places we've lived at. It is freezing out today.
Hello.
Hello.
Got the candle going?
Yep.
So we looked on their website and we saw that the lid can actually serve as a coaster. And so that's what we're doing with this candle. This is how it's burning so far. Burning well. Smells good still. How is making candles today?
Very good.
Here are my earrings of the day. I have just simple pearls and this butterfly clip from my mother-in-law. Thank you for pouring me some coffee.
You're welcome. In our to-go cups.
Yes. Yeah, we're gonna step out of the house, do some errands. Good job on making the candles.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're revamping our coffee cake candle. It's a different blend, but I wanted to talk to you guys about the first time I made this candle. I made some candle mistakes, and this is a pretty big one. A long time ago when I first started to make candles, I wanted to add those fun things in them. Things like botanicals and embellishments, and I thought it was a good idea to put coffee beans in the coffee cake candle. So I was making small batches. I think I only made maybe 3 of these. And it was during my testing phase. I didn't sell any of these candles. So I liked this candle, this coffee cake candle that had coffee beans in it. It had been burning for a few hours, and then I noticed there were 2 flames in the candle. And I look inside of it, and the coffee bean had ignited and had traveled to the edge of the glass.
Traveled in the wax.
And when I touched the edge of the glass, it was so hot. And I'm pretty sure if I had let it continue burning, it probably would have caused the glass to explode, because if you put heat right on glass, it can crack, it can break. Just bad news altogether. I recommend to you guys, I know it looks cool to put things in candles like botanicals or coffee beans, but don't be like me. Just have a normal candle that has just the flame in it.
Yeah.
I see some candles out there with like gemstones in it and other wacky things, and I'm just, wow, that's tricky.
Yeah. Yep.
That's tricky and risky. I came down and checked in on Cale at one point, and the scent, the 2 scents together smelled so good.
Yeah.
So now our gears are going in our head, and we're thinking maybe we should try blending them to make them a candle.
Yeah.
It's a combination I would never have thought would go well together, but it was, the notes are mint, eucalyptus, some rosemary in there mixed with coffee and nutmeg. It's crazy, but sometimes those are the best candle scents, the ones where you can't put your finger on it, what it is that makes that blend. Maybe next year, 2023. So today's to-dos, Cale and I have to grab some ribbon to wrap presents, and Cale plans on making that lobster ravioli tonight, and we have to grab a few ingredients for the sauce. So we'll take you along with us for that, and maybe while we're at the dollar store, because that's where we're planning on getting the ribbon, we'll look at some of the stuff that you guys were suggesting to us to see if they're in the dollar store that we go to. A lot of you recommended the dollar store to get certain supplies, which surprised me. Guess we'll see. It is a very cold day in Calgary.
It is -22 right now, and that's pretty much the high for the day.
Yeah. Brr. We're waiting on Calgary's first Chinook to come through. I don't think that's gonna happen this weekend. Do you want to get any actual Christmas wrapping paper?
Yeah, I like the stuff we got from Costco, but this is actual Christmas paper.
It's very festive, you're right. That one has snowmen. I like this one, this one's plaid.
How many square feet is this? Yeah, let's get 1 red, 1 blue, 1 green.
Nice. Here's some non-Christmas ribbon.
Oh yeah, non-Christmas ribbon.
But it might not be what you're looking for. It's more like crafty ribbon.
White's good.
White is good, but is that what you're looking for?
Should we get a white and a red?
Let's see if they have non-crafty ribbon. Like more like
regular Christmas ribbon.
Here they have some canola oil, 1 bottle of it, and some olive oil here, but these are really small bottles. We'd have to get a lot of it to match what we get at Costco.
Yeah, and the price for that amount.
Costco's still a better deal. Here's some bags. This can be a good bag for the wine that we got.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's go into those.
Okay. I like the green over the red.
So do I. Here's some Christmas ribbon.
Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
Now we're cooking with gas.
We want some like multicolored ones.
That's nice. These like holographic ones are cool too.
Okay, yep.
You want to get any thicker ribbons? That's not your style?
I like the thin ribbon because then you can like twirl it when you get the scissors and you twirl it.
Oh, it's Gibson.
And this was Gibson as a puppy.
Oh my god, yeah, he looked exactly like that.
Yeah.
I'll put a picture over here of our Gibson. Do you want any bows?
I suppose we can get some bows too. I like combining a bow with a ribbon.
Okay. And here are some stickers and tags we can put.
Yeah.
I
like these ones.
Me too. Let's just grab that. Well, this one is nice too. I think I like that one better. And here's our more traditional ones here. Oh, there's more there. Oh, there's so much choice. There's so much choice.
Hey guys, we are back home. It is so cold outside. We are really happy to be back in our kitchen where it's warm. I'm going to be making some lobster ravioli tonight for dinner. We have our chopped up garlic over here. We got a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is actually leftover Parmesan cheese from the lasagna. I had it over here in this extra bowl. We got our cream here, some water for the broth, all while our water to boil the noodles is heating up. Oh, let's turn this up a little bit. Let's get you boiling. I am cooking dinner for two. Are you my date tonight?
Wow, Cale, this looks amazing. I'm so excited to dig in. Thank you again for making dinner. We'll show you the taste test after our outro. But that's it, you've come to the end of the vlog, and if you made it this far, thank you so much. If you want to make the candles the way we've made them, we have the blends and recipes with steps on our Patreon, which is linked down below. And speaking of our Patreon, thank you to our patrons. You guys are just so amazing, especially these guys. Oh, you're wearing the dark shirt today.
Dark shirt on.
Our bubble BFFs. Your generosity has really motivated me to keep going in Vlogmas, so thank you guys so much. I'm so grateful and so thankful. But that's it. Until the next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and have a happy holidays, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Good night.
Let's try this out.
All right.
I love imitation crab. Oh my god, that sauce. Oh, man.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to link the recipe down below as well, but 10 out of 10. Really, really good.
Yep. I gotta get a piece of imitation crab here.
Good?
Good. Oh yeah.
Bye, guys.
You cleaning that up? Good boy.